Very good afternoon, students. Today I am starting with the part 5 of debenture. In this class, I will teach you a new topic, that is redemption of debenture. What is the meaning of redemption? Redemption means payback. What? Payback what? The debenture. Tell me. When a company is accepting or purchasing the debenture, means the company is accepting the liability or enhancing its loan capital. I have already said that all the debentures are redeemable, means company has to relinquish the liability of the debenture after a certain period of time. That is called the payment of debenture or the redemption of debenture. Means when the company is paying back the debenture amount to the debenture holder, that incident is known as redemption of debenture. Company once taken the debenture, now company has to pay the amount to the debenture holder. Clear? Understood? Now, in order to do this job, the company has to arrange a lots of amount, means fund is required. Now, where from the companies will get the fund? The sources are past profit. Either company can redeem the debenture either from its past profit or from revenue. Or from the reserves. Clear? These are the two sources of redemption of debenture, either from the past profit or from the reserves. Now, next we are coming that ways of payment. First one, lump sum payment. Means company can pay the full amount of debenture to the debenture holder with the help of lump sum payment. Means most of the amount has been paid by the company to the debenture at a single shot. Okay? Or by the installments. Can be done. Or third, I have given everything in the notes, go through. Third option, conversion of, very common method, conversion of debenture to share. Means company is not paying any amount to the debenture holder. The company is issuing the shares in place of debenture. Means company is replacing debenture by shares. So what is its, why it is a very common procedure? After doing so, the number of share capital, means the own capital of the company, will increase, whereas the loan capital will fall. So this is a very common practice by conversion of debenture into shares. When the company converts debenture into the share, the company's own capital, means the debenture holder becomes the shareholder of the company once the conversion procedure gets completed. Okay, so the third one is conversion of debenture into share, but vice versa is not possible. Share cannot be converted into the debenture. Once the company converts share into the debenture, company's own capital falls and loan capital enhances. So company will not go for the second procedure. Fourth one is to some extent difficult to understand because it is not in your syllabus, that is, though I am trying to teach. Open market operation. These are not available in the books. I have given the notes. Please copy it down. Fourth option is open market operation. See, it is what is happening. direct selling of debenture from the willing or intending debenture holder. Suppose I have purchased a debenture of 1000 from Mr. X. Direct purchase. After some time, suppose after 5 months, I have paid 1000 to Mr. X. Means this is called direct dealing. It is called debenture, the open market operation. Once the debenture has been purchased by the company and next time the company is cancelling the debenture by the payment. When the company pays, redeem the debenture means what? Company is cancelling its liability. So, from the open market means through the direct dealing, company is purchasing the debenture from certain intending debenture holder. After a certain period of time, company is paying the debenture amount to the debenture holder by cancelling the debentures. When the company is redeeming the debenture, means another name of the debenture or redemption of debenture means cancellation of debenture liability. Okay, when the company will redeem the debenture, the company's liability will drop down. Now coming to the journals. Now redemption. The nature of redemption. Okay, just a minute. 3 ways company can redeem the debenture. That is not the method. This is the nature of debenture. What are the natures? Either at par. This is nature. Nature of debenture. Redemption at par, at discount, or at premium. Now, what is the meaning? At par, at discount, at premium. Suppose coming at par, I have the debenture value is, suppose face value is 100 and at the time of payment the company has paid 100. No profit, no loss. Because I have taken 100 rupees and I have paid 100 rupees. Means no profit, no loss at par. Coming to the premium. I have received at rupees 100 but I have paid at rupees 110. Means redemption of debenture at a premium causes loss towards the company. Clear? Means what? Company has at the time of taking loan from the shareholder, debenture holder, the value of debenture was 100. But at the time of payment, the company or the enterprise has to pay more than the face value of the debenture. So it is a loss to a company. And discount. Face value 100. Company accepted the liability of rupees 100. But at the time of payment, the company has paid only 90. Here, the company is gaining. Because the liability amount was rupees 100 per debenture. But when the company has paid, at what price company has paid? 90. So this is not very common one. That redemption of debenture at discount is not very common phenomenon, or it is generally happening. 2 cases are very common. That is the first one, at par or at a premium. Or at a premium means, see, it is a company has received the debenture at rupees 100, but when the company is redeeming the debenture amount, or when the company is cancelling its liability, company has to pay more. When the company is, okay, understood. So company here, the company is running at a loss of rupees 10 per share. Okay, and discount, just opposite, company has got it at rupees 100, but at the time of payment, company is only paying 90. So 10 rupees per debenture is the profit of the company, though it is very company is redeeming the debenture at the par, then what we will write? Suppose bank account debit to debenture for at par application when we are receiving the debenture. Okay, now what will be our next journal? That when the company is cancelling or paying the debenture, debenture application to debenture means when we are writing the debenture application account debit to debenture means the application money has been transferred to debenture. Now when the company is cancelling by paying the debenture at par, what will be the journal? Debenture will be cancelled out. Debenture account debit to bank. Just opposite. When the company is accepting the debenture, then what is the journal? Bank account debit to debenture or debenture application. But when the company is redeeming the debenture, that will be the opposite journal, debenture account debit to bank. Okay, up to this, in my next video, I will give the journal of debenture redeem at discount and debenture redeem at premium. This class will also be followed by